Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making tender cottage cheese twists with a sweet sugar crust. Just look at how beautiful they turn out. Soft, golden, delicate, and lightly sweet on top. These little pastries are made without yeast, they come together quickly, and they are perfect with tea, coffee, or a glass of milk. They are simple, homemade, and so cozy. The inside is soft and tender, and the outside has that beautiful light sugar crust that makes every bite so delicious. Now let's see what we need for this recipe. Cottage cheese, eggs, sour cream, sugar, salt, baking powder, soft butter, flour, and, for the topping, sugar and vanilla sugar. Let's start cooking. First, we add the eggs to the cottage cheese, then we add sugar, sour cream, soft butter, and a little salt. Now we start mixing everything together. We are using a spoon at the beginning because the mixture is soft and easy to combine. Mix until everything becomes smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, we add baking powder to the flour. Then we sift the flour together with the baking powder. This helps make the dough lighter, softer, and more delicate. Now we add the cottage cheese mixture to the flour. We start mixing with a spoon again. At first, the dough is soft and sticky, but little by little, it starts coming together. When it becomes harder to mix with a spoon, we continue with our hands. We gently knead the dough until it becomes soft, smooth, and comfortable to work with. The dough should be soft, not sticky, and not too firm. Try not to add too much flour because we want the pastries to stay tender and light. Once the dough is ready, we roll it slightly into a long shape. Now we divide it into small pieces. The pieces should be small enough to fit comfortably in your hand. From each piece, we form a small ball. Once all the balls are ready, we take one piece and roll it into a long, thin rope. Now we start rolling it from one end to the other, creating a beautiful little wheel shape. Gently press it down with your hand. On a separate plate, we mix sugar with vanilla sugar. Then we dip the top of each pastry into this sugar mixture. This helps the sugar stick to the surface and gives the pastries a beautiful sweet vanilla crust after baking. And that's it. Our cottage cheese twists are ready to go into the oven. We bake them at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until they become golden and beautiful. Just look at them now. They are so gorgeous, soft, and delicious. The tops are lightly golden with a sweet sugar crust, and the inside stays tender and fluffy. This is such a simple recipe, but the result looks and tastes amazing. You only need a few basic ingredients, and in a short time, you can make these beautiful homemade cottage cheese pastries for your family. They are perfect for breakfast, for an afternoon tea, or whenever you want something sweet, soft, and homemade. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share our recipes with your friends, and let us know in the comments if you would try these cottage cheese twists. See you soon in the next video. Bye!